Good morning, caterpillars. Here is our month, M-A-R-C-H, March. Here is our calendar. Look at this day right here. It is a Thursday today. Today is Thursday. I have this number right here. What number is that? It comes after the number 10 and before the number 12. It is 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good job. Our pattern is butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird. Butterfly, butterfly. Today is a bird. Good job. So we know that today is Thursday, March 11th, 2021. Looking at our graph, our weather still, it has been sunny in March. 3 days, 2 days cloudy, and 2 days windy. How many do you see? 4. Good job. How many do you see? Ooh, nice job. 6. I can subitize. I saw 3. Miss Cochran saw 3 and 3, and I knew that that was 6 right away. All right. How many do you see? Show me your fingers. 5. 3 and 2 more. And 1 more. How many do you see? This is also 5. Good work today. Let's count the cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, well, I still have 10 if I start here and go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No matter which way I count, I will still have 10. How many do you see? All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What if I have 8 and I take away 1? How many will I have? I had 8. I took away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will have 7. Good work. All right. Let's do the last. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. Good work today. Time for our math stories. So I'm going to take a look right here. Look at this. This is our subtraction. That means we are taking away. So let's go. We have 5. I had 5 tractors on my farm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take away 3. So 3 of them drove off. 1, 2, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. Good job. There are 2 left. Do these words have the same beginning sound? Egg, elephant. Egg, elephant. They both begin with an E. Egg and elephant both begin with an E, so they have the same sound. Egg, elephant. Let's do one more. Queen and quail. Do they have the same beginning sound? Queen, quail. Show me those thumbs up or down. They both begin with a Q. Good work. So put a finger up every word that you hear in my sentence. Are you ready? Listen to my sentence. I see the pig. Let's put a finger up. I see the pig. How many words are in that sentence? Good. There are 4 words in that sentence. I see the pig. What word is this right here? See. Good job. You held on to that sentence. I see. What is this word? The pig. What happens if we get rid of the word pig? I'm going to take that one and I'm going to hide it. Now what do we have? I see the. Good job. What happens if we get rid of this first one? What is left of our sentence now? See the. Good job. Give yourself a 5. Let's look at our next sentence. How many words are in this sentence? Get ready to move your fingers. I like cats. How many are in there? Let's count. I like cats. I like cats. There are 3 words in that sentence. Look right here. What's this called again? Do you remember that? There's nothing there. We call that a space. It breaks apart the words. This second word, I like. Let's spell it. L-I-K-E. I like cats. All right, let's review our numbers. And then we are going to learn about a new number today. And then you guys can write that number on a piece of paper and draw that many objects. Say this number for me. 1. What number is that? 8. Can you make an 8? Good. Circle in a circle. 8. Show me with your hands. How many is that? 2. Good work. What number is this? 4. Good job. That is the number 4. What number is that? Ooh, I saw that 10 frame all filled in. Look at this. A 1 and a 0. I know that is the number 10. What number is that? 7. Good job. That is the number 7. What number is this? 6. High five. That is the number 6. Ooh. How do I know that is a 9 and not a 6? Then the circle is at the top for the number 9. The circle is at the top and the line goes down. Look at that 6. The circle is at the bottom and then the line goes up. 6, the circle is at the bottom and then the line, then the circle. 9, it's the circle, then the line. 9 and 6. What number? 5. That is our number 5. Good job. Number 3. Oh, do you remember that one? 11. A 1 and a 1 is number 11. I had that 10 frame. 10. And then one more is 11. What number is that? 12. Good job. That is our number 12. 10 and 2 more is 12. What number was that? 13. That is the number 13. A 1 and a 3. We put that when they're together, we call that 13. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Our number today is we're going to learn about the number 14. Can you draw a 14 in the air for me? A 1 and a 4. This is our 14. Let's count our happy faces. Count loud. Let me hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14. Good job. There is our 14. Let's count our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Our 10 frame, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job. And the last is our dice. I had to use 3 dice to make the number 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's our 14. All right, now that we have counted 14 4 different times, we're going to write the number 14 on a piece of paper. Remember, when we write the 14, we're going to write a 1 and a 4, and then we're going to have 14 objects. Are you ready? All right, I got my paper. I'm going to write a 1 first, a straight line down, and then we're done. That's the way we make a 1. And then a 4, a little line, down, a little line across. Go back up to the top and a big line down is 14. And now I'm going to make 14 objects. So it's up to you what kind of objects you want to make. Remember to only count one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you put them in a straight row like mine? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I did 14 circles today. There is my 14. Go ahead, get a piece of paper, get your writing utensil, and let's write 14 and 14 objects. I'll see y'all later. Bye.